In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat header row in Microsoft Word. If you work with long tables that flow onto multiple pages, repeating the header row is a simple way to keep your column titles visible and your document easy to read. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening your Word document and clicking anywhere inside the table that contains the header row. As soon as your cursor is inside the table, Word shows the table tools at the top of the window. This is important because the option we need only appears when the table is active. Next, select the row you want to repeat. In most cases, that will be the very top row where your column titles live. Click to the left of the row to highlight the whole thing. If your header spans more than one row, you can select multiple rows together, and Word will treat them as a single repeating header. Just make sure you select only the header content you want repeated. Now, go to the Layout tab under Table Tools. This Layout tab is the one that appears next to Design when you're working inside a table. It's different from the Page Layout tab used for margins and page settings, so double-check you're on the correct one. With your header row still selected, click Repeat Header Rows in the data group. This is a one-click command. If you don't see it, make sure your cursor is still inside the table and that the row is selected. After you click, Word marks that row as a header, and you're done with the setup. From now on, whenever the table extends to a new page, that header row appears automatically at the top of the table on each page it spans. This is especially helpful when printing or sharing the document, because readers won't have to scroll back to the first page to see what each column means. Keep in mind that you'll notice the effect in print-oriented views and when the table actually continues onto a second page. If at any point you decide you don't want the header to repeat, you can select the same row and click Repeat Header Rows again to turn it off. It's a toggle. Also, avoid placing the table inside objects like text boxes, as that can limit how headers behave across pages. Finally, save your document to keep the changes. Use the Save button or your usual shortcut so your repeated header setting stays in place. That's it. Quick, clear, and incredibly useful for longer tables. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.